Hi, my name is Stijn. Welcome to Todo. Let me show you how to make chicken taquitos. When I was at a party at the Mexican embassy a couple of years ago here in Belgium, I swear people were almost getting into a fight to get some of these taquitos. So let me show you how to make it. It's actually really simple. Pick up a rotisserie chicken, roast the chicken yourself, and then shred it with your hands. Make sure it's cooled down, because otherwise you're going to burn those fingers. You don't want to do that. But we've got the shredded chicken. I've got some salsa verde, sour cream. In Mexico they would use crema. I've got some iceberg lettuce, and I've got some queso fresco. Well, actually, since I live in Belgium, it's not typical queso fresco. What I'm using to substitute is one of these feta alternatives. They're less briny and a lot better suited to replace queso fresco in any Mexican dish. What else do I have? And that's the star of the show. I've got some tortillas right here that came straight from the tortilleria. These are the ones that we're gonna roll and fill with our chicken and then fry. So let's get started. First things first, these, when they come from the tortilleria, they're hard. So if you're gonna roll them, you're gonna break them. That's not what you wanna do. So you can either heat them up just like that in a pan over a comal on a medium fire, or we're gonna do it a little differently. I've got some oil with a high smoke point. I'm gonna fill my pan, put it over a medium heat until the oil heats, and we're gonna slightly toast our tortillas in there until they come nice and pliable. So we're just gonna put them in the hot oil a couple of seconds on each side. You just see the tortilla relax, and that's when it's ready. So now that all of these have seen a little bit of the oil, we're ready to get rolling. So the secret ingredient to rolling these are either toothpicks or these skewers, because we're gonna put them on there so they can't fall open when we fry them. So let's take our tortilla. Take a good handful of chicken, put it about 1/3 of a way down the tortilla. Let's roll it up and then skewer it. Now today I'm making these flautas or tacos dorados or taquitos, whatever you want to call them. I'm making these with chicken, but I've also made these with a bean and potato filling. You can make these with a cheese filling. There's nothing to stop you from filling these taquitos with whatever you like. Now what's also really good is that in this stage, you can just put them in the freezer and fry them later for use. Whenever you want, or you're short on time, or you feel like taquitos. Alright, so this was the perfect chicken to tortilla ratio. I've got all of these prepared, and now into the frying pan. And then we carefully put them into our hot oil. And just let them crisp up. That's all we need to do. And then once one side has crisped up nicely, be careful, gently twist it, put it down, and let the other side crisp up. And then once they're done, be careful, because this is really hot. Take it out carefully. And then one by one you should be able to put these onto a paper towel. Now, straight from the frying pan, don't even wait to serve a couple of hours, whatever. These need to be eaten hot. So what's the best way to do it? Put a couple of them on your plate. Bathe them in salsa verde. If you don't have the recipe for salsa verde, you can find it up here or in the description below. Drizzle some sour cream, or if you have the opportunity, some Mexican crema. Just dollops on there. Next is some of that iceberg lettuce. I'm a really big fan of iceberg lettuce. You could use romaine, you could use some other types of lettuce. Then a bit more of that salsa verde. And you finish off with some queso fresco. And I'm telling you, you're in for a treat. That's how easy it is to make tacos dorados, taquitos, or flautas, whatever you want to call them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to this channel, and if you want more recipes, visit contodo.be. Adios.